In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Draw.io with others to edit. So the first thing you want to do once you have your diagram, you can go ahead and click on Share, top right, and then you want to click on Save to Google Drive. You're going to have to authorize your Google Drive. So here you go and basically have to choose your account. You want to actually connect with Draw.io and then press Continue. And what that's going to do is you have to basically go ahead and give it some access. So I'm just going to select all over here, press continue. And after you do this, as you can see, you can use a root folder or pick a folder if you want to. I'm just going to use the default root folder, click on yes. And what this is going to do is, as you can see now, it's starting to load. And it's keep going to load for the first time. There we go. And then you can share it as a diagram. Okay, so here, as you can see, people with access, currently it's just me. Then you want to just add people in. So for example, their emails, etc. And then after that, you can select what access you want to give them. So if it's restricted only to the people who actually do have the links, basically have the access, or to anyone who has the link to be able to edit it. Okay, after that, click on done over here. And just like that, you've successfully shared it. And as you can see over here, there's like this icon which is basically showing that you're actually sharing it. And if you'd like to add anyone else, you can just click on the share button and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.